Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have Huawei P30 Pro and screen is badly broken. I bought this phone just as it is. So this is P30 Pro and we're just gonna check how this phone can charge wirelessly or not. So we have a wireless charger and we're gonna try either this phone can charge wirelessly or not. Yes, definitely Huawei P30 Pro have a wireless charging and the P30 Pro have a reverse wireless charging also. So you can charge other devices wirelessly via this wireless charger. And if you want to replace this screen, the OLED screen will cost you around 2000 rand, and original screen with full repair service will be 6000 to 7000 South African rand. So that's the price to fix the phone, but I got this phone in a very good price just as it is. And thank you for watching tutorial videos. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.